What if you can unlock increasing rewards, gamify your crypto investments, even have a shot at winning $1 million just by participating in a limited time event? Don't miss that out on this rare opportunity. It's ending soon. Let's get into it.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor.
BlockDAG is back. They're doing a $1 million giveaway, which is pretty insane. It's ending here pretty soon. If we look at the time left, it is, I believe, only like 3 more days. Yeah, 3 more days right here, which is not a lot of time to get into your entries. You couldn't see it, but 3 days, 23,000 entries. So not a lot of entries. Your time could definitely win some sweet rewards like $1 million or $20 million or $20,000 in BDAG, which is pretty sweet. You can see that they have on their website a bonus for BDAG 250. You can get some sweet rewards. They also have another reward system. If we look here, batch 26 selling out fast. You can see that if you use the code here, BDAG 400, there's some mystery chests. So definitely a great opportunity by connecting your wallet and getting your BDAG tokens. So once you log in here, you can see that you can use your coupon code here, BDAG 250, to get a 150% bonus. So you just click on here, click and paste, and then applied. And as you can see, it is now active, and you can see that you can sign up and get either your 150 bonuses plus all of your unlock. Pretty neat stuff here. And so once you get that 150 bonus, which is this one, the next one, it goes up to 170, and then it just a mystery going forward. So that could be, I don't know what it would be, but this could maybe 190, 210, 230, and 250 possibly. I don't know. We'll have to see what the unlocks are. That's the fun of it. It's a mystery. It's a mystery box. So they also have your buy now feature here, your calculator. So if you have, say, 13,000 BDAG tokens, it equates to 304. If you have 130, it's 3,000. So not too bad, especially those people that got in early. That's where all the money is made. So as you can see, like this person has over $2 million in the BDAG. So and then you can see all of the live transactions going on right now, all the people buying up all of the BDAGs minutes, one after another, 12 minutes ago, 14 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. You can see they have all of the dev releases here, the leaderboards, my profile. So pretty neat stuff. If you haven't heard of BlockDAG, they are a huge project with their testnet that is live. They have all sorts of different miners. They have had some great keynote speakers from their presenters here with Block Keynote 1 and Keynote 2. Some great information, as well as their miners, as well as a cool little faucet here. If we actually check out their miners, go up to mechanics and then go to mining rigs, you can see the mining rigs here. If we scroll down, they have the X1 miner, which you can use from your phone, which is pretty sweet. You can actually use it right now. It's actually live. I don't have my phone around me, so I can't show you it. There is the X10 miner, which is like your little helium miner in a sense. It connects to your Ethernet cable and allows for kind of like an easy Wi-Fi router. The next one is more of your normal mining rig meant to mine, and then your system really set up. This is going to be your fastest and your most profitable miner. They actually have a calculator here where if we go to a crypto miner calculator, you can see depending on which one you get. So the app one is only 20 BDAGs a day, but the X100 miner, that big kahuna one, is 2,000. And depending on what the price is how much you're earning per day. So if at launch it's 5 cents, or when at launch it's at 5 cents, you're earning $100 a day or $1. And then currently, I think, is it stage 5 right now? Stage 5, you're earning $6 a day. So not too bad. They definitely have a lot of room for you to make a lot of money through this. So definitely pretty cool stuff. At the current rate, what is it, 20 BDAGs are 3 cents. So pretty fun stuff. Definitely something to check out. In summary, you definitely want to use this DBAG code to earn extra BDAG tokens so that you can get your rewards, and then also use those to maybe get some cool miners like the X10 or the X30, even the X100, to earn even more rewards so that you can increase your level in the leaderboards and go from a crab to a shark or a whale, and just have more D bags in your bag. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.